SNAP works to prevent the suffering and death of companion animals and to enrich the human-animal bond by providing excellent, accessible, and affordable spay, neuter, and veterinary care. This morning, we welcome Magda Serrano of SNAP. Good morning, Magda. How are you?
Good morning. I'm doing wonderful. How are you?
I am great, and I'm excited to talk a little bit more about SNAP. So, can we start in the beginning? Magda, why is spaying or neutering a dog or cat important?
Yes, we'd really like to share that with everyone to let everyone know some key points and why it's important to spay and neuter your pet. To start off, we mainly focus on, of course, helping with the unplanned litters is priority, of course, and then we move on to some other points, which is reducing the risk of cancers as well. Your pet will live longer when you spay and neuter your dog or cat. It also, when you neuter your dog or your cat, of course, it reduces roaming, fighting, and aggression, which is really good. And then, of course, it saves you money in the long run when you spay and neuter your dog or your cat.
That's so interesting. I think our first thought is always, oh, well, it's just to help with unplanned litters, but there's so many other reasons it sounds like. And so, what do you say to pet owners who say they don't want to spay or neuter because it will be painful to their animal or otherwise harm them?
Yes, we get asked that a lot because I'm really not certain what people think when when they think about spaying and neutering and how painful it can be. So during a spay or neuter surgery, our team uses anesthesia for your dogs or your cats, so they feel no pain, of course. And afterwards, most animals experience a little discomfort, just like humans when you go into surgery. But we do offer pain management, which is used during and after to control discomfort. It also, to decrease the self trauma and promote some healing. So, um, that's usually, the case when we're spaying and neutering is the use of anesthesia and make them feel comfortable as possible as we can.
Yeah. And so, is there an optimal age in which a dog or cat should be spayed or neutered?
Yes, definitely. So the optimal age for spaying and neutering is 4 to 5 months. Spaying before the first cycle significantly reduces the risk of malignant mammary tumors. So that's also a plus. And of course, we offer vaccine and prevention care when people obtain a new puppy or kitten, so they can stop by SNAP or make an appointment, of course, to see one of our veterinarians.
Ah, yeah, that's so interesting. And especially with the additional reasons to spay and neuter your pet, the prevention of the cancer. It sounds like something that is an easy decision, but I know I've heard this as well. And it may just be a rumor, but should a female dog or cat have at least one litter before they're spayed?
Yes, we no, it shouldn't. To the contrary to that, I laugh a little and I giggle because people, say that a lot in many communities where they feel that that's necessary, but it's a myth, of course. And to the contrary, a dog or a cat, its best chances of a good, healthy life is to be spayed before her first heat. Um, Again, we say that it reduces the risk of memory tumors and prevents other health problems such as life-threatening urine infections, of course. And that's something to really take into consideration.
Yeah. And so, kind of on the other side, for our boy animals, our boy pets, will a male animal's personality change negatively after being neutered?
No, of course not. No, they don't really lose their personality. Um, Again, spaying and neutering reduces the roaming, the fighting, the aggression part. And so it also helps with marking for dogs and spraying for cats. It's reduced and eliminated.
And so, what is marking and spraying?
Marking and spraying. Marking and spraying is when they mark their territory, of course, and spraying is urinating when they're marking their territory as well.
Yeah. So, all of, these are all great reasons and really I think help to dispel some myths and some rumors that we kind of, you hear
Yes,
them as you go through life from different people around about, oh, well, this is why you shouldn't. But what
right.
is the cost for spaying or neutering?
So the lucky thing is that SNAP is available to the community, and we do offer affordable spay neuter services for everyone, for the public. So we do have some price lists offered on our website that offers packages and a la carte services. So because the prices are different due to the weight and the if it's a male or a female. So we encourage people to visit our website at snapus.org and look at our price list so that they can see the variety that we have on there. And of course, the good thing as well is that people do qualify for some of our subsidized services that we offer, and the Petco vaccines, as we partner with Petco and the city to offer subsidized services. So it's best for people to just visit our website and take a look at our price list and what we offer.
Gotcha. And so, how can our listeners support SNAP if this is something that really aligns with what they're thinking? I know a lot of us, we see, litters that are running around our little neighborhoods and think, huh, I wish I could have told somebody about this opportunity.
Yes, definitely. SNAP's been around for 30 years, and we're a publicly supported charity, of course. So you can donate monetarily by visiting our website. We also have a wish list so that we can have our donors come into the clinic and donate, or they could also go to our Amazon wish list, make some purchases of our most needed items, and have them shipped directly to our clinics. Also through social media, of course, we have several platforms where people are following us through there, where we spread information about spaying and neutering and the importance of it.
Gotcha. And so, I know we talked about the website a little bit and social, but are there any other ways that our listeners can contact you if maybe they need your services or they would like to support SNAP?
Definitely. So we have a phone number on our website that people can reach us. The number is 713-862-3863, of course. I did mention our link over to our website, which is snapus.org, which also has great information on there. And if they could click on contact, we have our staff there available. They can click on to send an email as well, and send us a message through our portal there.
Gotcha. What helpful information and what a great service for our community. Thank you so much, Magda, for chatting with us and for letting us know a little bit more about this program and how we can get in touch if we ever need your services.
Definitely. We really appreciate being on here. Thank you so much.